like them. Jamming on the beat. Sucks me out and doing like them.
Hi guys! Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and today I have a different mystery box, and I haven't done these before. Now this one I got off SimpleLots, and they have an app, and you can, they have all kinds of wholesale lots on there. But I saw these, and this guy has a lot of different sizes. He has like, 100 items for like $100 or whatever, $90, something like that. The more you buy, the cheaper it is. So I thought, well, I'm going to start small. He goes as low as $10, 10 items for like $20. So I ordered 20 items, and it's for $36, and that includes shipping. Now, I'm kind of expecting dollar store items, because let's be honest, he's got to get his cut too. So I did open the top of this because I had to see which one it was, because I couldn't tell if it was this or my color popper. So now I know which is which. So there will be 20 items in here, and I paid $36, and I'll leave the link down below from the seller. And this is rainproof anti-fog film for a helmet. Now that's something I can honestly say, in all my mystery boxes, I have not received. So I'm good with that, because it's just something different anyway, and I don't really, when I buy these mystery boxes, I don't really intend them for sale. I don't tend to make money off them. I do them for fun, and then if I can make money, hey, great. And then we have this. And I'll be honest with you, I have no idea what this is. But it has a belt back here, so I'm thinking, that's for a dog, maybe? I just had my knife, now I can't find it. There, I'll get this in. I got it. I got it. I don't know what it is. Is it a mask? It's a mask! It's a mask! That is... Sorry, but that is freaking cool. That is freaking cool. Look. Check it out. That's cool. You can get these to stand, I'm sure, by playing with them a little bit more. That is freaking cool. Have you ever seen anything like this? I love it. I just love it. I just love it. Oh, that's funny. Oh, I see, it goes this way. It actually goes this way. Oops, I gotta put it so I can see. Ooh, I'm Catwoman. I love it. Hey, did I say I love it? I just love shit like that. I'm just crazy. Then we got a dog toy, which this will probably go to my buddy Moose next time I go to Louisiana. He's a pet, and he likes to play with me. He plays a little rough sometimes, but he's my buddy. And, these are expensive. Especially the ones that a pit bull can play with, because they chew everything up. But I love that mask. Yeah, I'm keeping that mask. I'm going to make an utter fool of myself. And then we have an old-fashioned Super Bowl, I think. Well, it ain't got much bounce to it. Ain't got much bounce to it, but let's be honest. Ain't nothing like it used to be. Used to be able to bounce them suckers and it would hit the ceiling, and now I'll send that over with the kids. Okay, I don't know what these are. I have no idea. There's 2 of them. And they're considered one item. They're taped together. But they have a leveler in them. A level in them. Which is kind of I assume it's to help you hang something or something. I don't know. I don't know, but it opens like this. And then you close it. I assume you stick something in there and then check to see if it's level, I guess. I will have to look that one up on Google Lens because I have no idea. Okay. And this is oh, okay. This is Hair Shark Pro Back Comber. Volume just got bigger. But I'll be honest with you, when I first looked at it, all I saw was the back comber, and I'm thinking, well, who's that hairy dude? Ah, that's funny. Yeah, that's funny. But it's got, let me open this real fast if I can. If I can do it real fast. But it's got bristles in here, and then, you know, like the nylon bristles in here, and then these are bigger, I think. It says volume just got bigger. Revolutionary 2-in-1 back combing hair tool. Unique, thin, smooth hair with no loss of volume or lift. Full instructions inside. I don't know. I don't know. Here's something wrapped in bubble wrap. Which means I can probably break it in no time. Really? Oh, I see. And here's 2 pair of sunglasses. Which, these glasses are transitions, but honestly, they're not dark enough when I go outside. My eyes are very light sensitive. So we'll see what these look like. Yeah. Coming to a town near you. Yeah, coming to a town near you. And there wasn't one in there, there was 2. And they were wrapped together, so I don't know if it counts as 1 or 2, but we're gonna take it. This pair is super wrapped. I don't know why, but I'll put them on, but I don't know why. These didn't hurt your head to put them on. You know, my grandma did live in Hollywood and drove her little Cadillac. She would have adored these. Yeah, she'd adored them. So I'll put those down there. Oh, there was 3 pair for that. There was 3 pair. Is this the same? Oh no, there was 2 pair. This is the first pair. These are my glasses. Yep, and I got a big old fingerprint right in them again. I can't clean glasses for crap. I'm probably more blind now than I was before I got them. Okay, on we go. I'm not knowing what this is, but I'm going to take out the pieces and see if we can figure it out. If nothing else, we can probably get a joke out of it. I think it's one of those things that you put on to make your posture better. For your posture. You put this over your sleeves and then that goes in the middle. To pull your shoulders back. I think that's what it is. Here we have a pumpkin face mask, which take it out of the package because, you know, nope. These are pretty well off market now, and it's got the insert for it. There's that. And then here's one with old Santa Claus on it that says Merry Christmas. And here's a roll of stickers with bows on them. Here's a roll of stickers with bows on them. Different kind of bows. Ribbons, bows, whatever. And here's one with, oh, here's Halloween stickers. Okay, then we got this. These are self-adhesive lashes. Now, y'all know I'm terrified of fake lashes. It will be better to clean your eyelid before you put on the eyelashes. Wearing it directly, no glue, putting it back for reuse after wearing lashes. I will try these one day, and we'll see. I will do a video with them. Okay, and then here is a ring. See if I can get to it. Yeah, I don't need that either. That's what the ring looks like. Let's see. It's pretty small. I wear an 8 on my ring finger. It won't fit my ring finger, so it's probably about a 6 or 7. But that's what it looks like. Then we have some washi tape. And that is the design. Then we have a sewing machine foot. I don't know what it's for, but I got a whole box of feet for mine, and then I turned around and gave it away. Here's a fake $1,000 bill with the crazy man himself on it. I wonder how much he was charging for those. Sorry, but I'm offended. I live in Ohio. Nobody eats our cats and dogs. It doesn't happen. Now here's a Lightning HD TV cable. It's HDMI adapter for iPhone, iPad, which supports iPhone, iPad, Lightning connector with it. So there's that. I don't know if the boys can use that for their video game or not. They keep taking theirs places and leaving it. And their mom is getting a little pissy. And this is it says 3XL. So we're going to have to see what this is. We're going to have to see. Well, that's interesting. That's interesting. Look at this cheap shirt. Look, it has no hem here. It's complete. You can see completely through it. And it's a 3XL. But it's just cut that way. It's cut into shape and they cut it down the sides. It does have a hem at the bottom. But it doesn't have a hem anywhere else. It has no hem in the neckline. It has no hem on the sleeves. So, oh, and then we got this. I just threw that shirt in the trash. I usually at least donate stuff, but I would be afraid to. And this is a mini USB fan, which would be great for hot flashes. I got USB ports on my bed. I can position that right on my face. But I use a overhead thing. So that is that one. What do you think? You think it was worth the $36? I think it was. I mean, I think I got the value there. But I also love that mask. You know, I got a few good laughs out of it. I got a video out of it. And like I said, I expected it to be 100% dollar store items. And I don't believe this is. I know that mask is not. You know, so, I mean, come on. You're just not going to be able to leave your men out on the loose when I got this on. Oh, yes. Yes, I'm going to be wearing this. I love it. Anyway, like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff, and come on back. I think I'll probably get another one or two of these.